Stop scrolling. This crypto could be the key to your $500,000 dream portfolio. In the ever-evolving world of digital currencies, one particular crypto is capturing attention as a potential game changer for portfolios. With the current bull run in full swing, investors are eagerly searching for the next big opportunity. The crypto underworld is infested with fake AI agents, shady operators promising next-gen intelligence while barely outsmarting a toaster. Agent AI has come to denounce fake AI agents. This ultimate undercover agent does not pretend, it is a 100% meme coin. Agent AI is on a mission of mass hilarity, and, naturally, ridiculous gains. Classified intel, Agent AI's true identity. Keep this under wraps, Agent AI is a Pepe in disguise. Modeled after the legendary Pepe coin, which skyrocketed nearly 22,000%, this covert operative has the same ambition. Will it succeed? That depends on its community. Unlike VC-backed rug pulls, Agent AI is powered by the people. The bigger the support, the higher it moonwalks. That's why it has chosen the community-driven pre-sale strategy with a smart plan. Entry price at stage 1, $0. 003333333, because 3 is a lucky number. Final stage price, $0. 151515152, because round numbers are boring. First stage discount, 98% translation, buy early, pay less. Post pre-sale mission expansion. Think of the pre-sale as a training for the big mission. Once the $AGNT token goes public, the mission will expand to strategic shell partnerships and development of AI-powered tools to fuel growth and engagement. Top secret tokenomics, no funny business. This is a community-first operation, so 25% the total token supply is allocated for staking and rewards. Agent AI isn't just throwing tokens around like confetti. The supply is capped at 5 billion, ensuring no surprise inflation bombs. Further breaking down the tokenomics, only 20% of the supply is allocated for the pre-sale. The offer at a discounted price is limited. Final orders, deploy capital and secure your $AGNT now. This is your shot to join crypto's most ridiculous yet lucrative mission. The best entries go to the fastest trigger fingers. Don't be the guy who wished he got in early. The mission is set. The pre-sale is live. Are you in, or will you let the AI fakes win? Jasmy Coin, empowering personal data in a connected world. Imagine having full control over your personal data in a world where everything is connected. Jasmy Coin, Jasmy, is turning this vision into reality. Based in Tokyo, Jasmy Corporation combines Internet of Things, IoT, technology with blockchain to give users sovereignty over their information. Their platform bridges service providers and data users, allowing safe and seamless data exchange between devices like computers, cars, and phones. Jasmy's mission is to create a secure environment where your data becomes your personal asset. They achieve this by decentralizing data storage using edge computing and the Interplanetary File System, IPFS. This approach protects user data while enabling service providers to enhance their services, with your permission. It's a model that democratizes data, shifting power back to individuals. In today's digital age, privacy and data control are more important than ever. Jasmy Coin stands out by addressing these concerns head-on. While the cryptocurrency market is always evolving, projects like Jasmy that focus on real-world solutions could become increasingly attractive. As more people value their privacy, Jasmy's innovative approach positions it well in the current market landscape. Stellar Lumens, the crypto-enhancing, not replacing, financial systems. Stellar Lumens, XLM, is a cryptocurrency designed to make money transfers fast and affordable. Launched in 2014, Stellar is an open-source blockchain network that connects banks, payment systems, and people. Unlike many cryptocurrencies that aim to disrupt traditional finance, Stellar works to enhance it by providing a platform where different financial systems can work together. Stellar stands out by allowing transfers in any currency, including digital versions of national currencies and other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. This flexibility means individuals can send money across borders using Stellar apps without worrying about currency conversions. Like, share and subscribe for more.